Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Chrisilani Vlogs. Today I'll be making my first time making waffles, and I am doing this pancake and waffle mix. It is also plant-based and keto approved, so I'm gonna go and try this for my breakfast today. Yeah, as you guys know, I am starting my keto, but I am starting it slowly. This is gonna be my second week, and I'm just testing out this pancake mix. So right now I'm just mixing and measuring. There's like you just have to use egg, water, and coconut oil. And if you're doing waffle, you add a little bit more of the coconut oil. I have never cooked waffles, but I have ate them. I mean, it's like wasn't my favorite thing, but it became after I tasted it at Eggs and Waffles. It was really delicious, so that's when I started to like waffles. But yeah, so just hang on and we're gonna see how it turned out. Alrighty guys, so that's my finished product. It looks nice. It came out really nice. So I just added some cinnamon and butter to it just because I don't have any syrup for it. And then I made some Portuguese sausage on the side. It's a bit dry if you take a bigger bite. The smaller bites is a little bit better. But, you know, just because it doesn't have syrup, that's what I'm missing. But like I said, I have to start to change my menu and the stuff I eat. So that's it, guys. Yeah, it was okay. It wasn't the best, but I only ended up eating one. I couldn't finish both of them. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate you guys. You guys take care. God bless, and I shall see you in my next video.